I'm not gonna do that. I mean, I could try. I could actually try. Let me try.
She wanna woo nigga. She wanna fight with the woo.
Hi guys, bienvenidos a mi canal. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I put on this super quick. When I say quick, I mean it like it's super quick. Water wave curly situation. So if you guys want to see how I put this on, how I got it to look like this, all cute and nice and finessed it, then keep on watching. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, honey, and let's get into the video. Today's hair is from Asteria Hair. Is that how you say it? Asteria Hair? Yeah. So they sent me the hair. It came in this little bag and it's so cute. It's like a satin bag. They also sent me a satin scarf with their logo on it, which I think is so cute. 2 wig caps and elastic band. So this is the hair. It is a long, I believe it is a wavy texture or like water wave, and it is a T-part wig. This hair feels super soft. I already bleached the knots and I kind of plucked it. I plucked what I could pluck. Okay, I'm gonna explain you guys why. So the T-part construction is the wig looks like this. So this is the parting of the wig, and it is a middle part, and it has a tiny bit of lace in the front, which is this section right here, as you guys can see, and the rest of the wig is literally just tracks. It kind of limits you, but I feel like it's instead of looking at the fact that, oh, it's just a limited wig, like I can't really do much with it, I feel like this is gonna be a throw-on wig to, like, I need to get quick out the house, I need to run some errands, I need to do this like just quickly, and it fits perfectly on my head. So I feel like I'm gonna be able to do the glueless method, which is what I want to do today. The only complaint that I have about the hair is that it was hard bleaching the knots, and hard in the sense that I put the bleach on and I left it on for quite some time, and there's still like really dark knots on the hair. Me, I'm lazy. I didn't feel like bleaching it again. It's not happening. I'm gonna just use concealer. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna treat this wig as a closure wig, kind of, sorta, just because it looks too wiggy on the sides, but I'm gonna show you guys. The wig is on and it fits really snug on my head. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the hairline so you guys can see what I'm talking about when I say that it looks really wiggy. So when you do like this, you can like see the demarcation like of the wig. Here it's literally impossible for me to pluck anything because the tracks is literally right there. What I'm planning on doing is just cutting the lace to see what it looks like, and maybe I'll put some hairspray in the front and call it a day, baby, because I really want to do this like a glueless method situation. I might remove the wig cap because you can clearly see it here, but I don't know yet. I'm gonna think about it. Okay, so I'm taking my little eyebrow razor. You could probably definitely get away with it if you like to do a hairstyle or something, if you create some baby hairs right here. I'm not gonna do that. I mean, I could actually try. Let me try. As you guys can see, you can see the tracks are literally right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. You guys see that? It's like right there. This is probably as much as I would do to this wig, and right now I feel like it looks really freaking natural. The only thing I'm missing is putting some concealer in my parting. I'm just gonna put that in the front section of my part because I do have a wig cap, so I don't need concealer back there. Ya, esto era. this was literally it for this wig, and I think it looks really good. I will treat this as a closure wig. I would use this as a throw-on wig for when I need to run errands. I need to go out quickly, like cuando yo tengo que salir de rápido, que no tengo tiempo de que para arreglarme mucho, pero tampoco quiero salir con mi pelo medio loco, tú sabes, me pongo esta peluca and I'm out, you know. I'm gonna go ahead, finish off my makeup, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, so I went ahead and I did just like a super simple beat like that. This is like the simplest I've probably ever done my makeup. This is literally what I do when I'm running quick errands. I don't have time. I just want to look a little bit more fresh. So I feel like with this hair, it just went perfectly. It went perfectly with the setting that I'm in. I'm, you know, in the tropics, in the, you know, islands. So it's hot, okay? And I just feel like a throw-on wig with a super simple makeup, super simple beat, but you look fresh is just the perfect combination. So I didn't want to do like, you know, I didn't want to do too much. You know what I mean? So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick throw-on wig hair tutorial. And shout out to Asteria Hair for sending me this unit. And yeah, I got hair in my mouth. Hold on. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and all the links to this hair will be in the description bar down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.